Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate digital marketing with ActiveCampaign step by step clearly. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account. Navigate to the Automations tab located in the sidebar menu. Click on the Create an Automation button to start a new project. You will be presented with various automation templates. Select a template that aligns with your marketing goals, or choose to start from scratch. If you choose to use a template, click on it to preview the details. Once satisfied, click on the Use this template button. If starting from scratch, select Start from Scratch and then click Continue. Now, you will need to add your trigger. Choose the trigger option and select an event that will start the automation. Configure the trigger settings according to your preferences and click Add Start. Next, you will add actions to your automation. Click on the plus sign to add your first action. Select the action you want to implement, such as sending an email. Customize your email by adding a subject line and content that resonates with your audience. Once satisfied with your email settings, click Save. Continue adding actions based on your marketing strategy. Consider actions like wait for a specified time before sending the next follow-up. You can also include conditions to segment your audience for targeted messaging. Review your automation flowchart to ensure each element is connected properly. After making sure everything is in place, click on the Activate button. Your automation is now live and will begin functioning based on the triggers and actions you defined. Periodically review the performance of your automation through the reporting features. Make adjustments as necessary to optimize engagement and conversion rates. With these steps, you can effectively automate your digital marketing efforts using ActiveCampaign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.